Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can start affiliate marketing on a low budget. And first of all, I'm going to show you some proof that the system works. And you can get started today for just $5. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. And I'll just refresh this page just to show you, first of all, some proof of income that the system works. And then I'm going to show you exactly what products we use, and I'm going to give you the system as well. So if you want to start following it, then you can do so and get started today. So this is my all-time. So Warrior Plus is the marketplace where you get the products, and this is where you get paid. Now, if you see down here, you'll see I've sold 2,231 products. That's a really key figure because I'm going to show you how you can promote one link and you can sell multiple products with one link and earn multiple income streams with this system. My total sales are now $20,000 and 142. And this column here, the right-hand column here, my commissions are now 10,058. Now, I want to show you that this is a growing income. So the potential profitable passive income as well. It's key to get into profit with affiliate marketing. So, and not get into debt. So what you can do here is have a look in the, I'll go into last year. So if you go into last year here, what you'll see is last year, my commissions were $5,600. Now my projected for this year, so if we go into year to date, we'll have a look at the projected for this year and see the growth. So if we go into, this is the year so far, so 14 weeks into the year, 2,500. Now if you look at these little circular arrows here, you'll see these are recurring payments. This is what you're going to be earning: membership subscriptions and monthly recurring payments. This is where you get your profitable passive income from. So if we go in here, year to date, 2,500. Now, what's important to note here as well is that the total of the products that I'm promoting, the total costs me $35. So getting into profit with affiliate marketing is really key, because once you get into profit, you can then build a portfolio of profitable products. So they cost me $35. Just make a mental note of that. And if we go onto the calculator here, so we've got so far this year 2,500. So we're going to project for the year. So it cost me $420. I've just done $35 times 12 there on my calculator. So it costs me $420 for the year. Now you saw last year that the commissions were 5,000. So you can see the profit, because I just use free traffic to promote these offers. I don't use solo ads or anything like that. I just use safe list traffic exchanges, YouTube videos. I use free traffic. So you can see if it's costing $420 for the year. Let's look at the projected earnings for this year. So we've got $2,500 so far. 2,500. And we're going to divide that by 14 weeks into the year. Divide that by 14. So far this year, it's $178 a week. Now we're going to times that by 52 so we can get a rough projection, because members are paying monthly subscription and we carry on promoting. So we're looking potentially at $9,285 for the year. And it's going to cost me. So we're looking at a projection this year of 9,000. So you carry on promoting, You build up your membership, new members come in because everyone needs traffic. So you can see the profit there. It's costing $4.20, and I'm projecting this year it'll be 9,000. Remember last year it was 5,000, so it's almost doubled. It's almost doubled. You're still paying the same. You're still paying the same monthly price for your products, but the income has nearly doubled from 5,000 to 9,000. So you're doubling your income. So I want to show you some proof of that, because it's important if you're going to promote products, what you should be promoting with affiliate marketing. The reason this system works is because these products are in an evergreen niche, and that niche is traffic. So everyone needs not just traffic, everyone needs more and more and more traffic. And the reason it works is you're earning profitable passive income because these products are a monthly subscription. So I pay my monthly subscription. You've got to be a paid member of these offers. All the links are in the description for the offers that I promote and the monthly subscriptions. But you also can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link. I'm going to show you now how that works. And I'm going to give you the system at the end of this video. I'll just show you the proof that it works there. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to become a member of these offers and promote them as an affiliate. So when we talk here about multiple income streams, promoting one link, then this is an example of one product called the Click Generator. So the Click Generator is autopilot buyers traffic. So you're going to get buyers to your offer on autopilot. And what you'll see here is that the owners, John and Frank, they've put 18 products within their system. So when you promote this offer, you just promote with one link. So you get your affiliate link like in the top left-hand corner there. You promote that link. And then what happens is, if any of your referrals buy any of these products, you're going to get paid affiliate commissions. Now they've got down here, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've got 6 recurring products in the funnel, but they've also got some high ticket products here where the commissions you can earn are $850, $600, $200. Now you don't have to buy these products yourself. You have to buy the initial Click Generator, but you don't have to buy any of these high ticket products to earn these high ticket commissions. You just promote that one link. So you can see the potential. That's how you sell lots of products and earn lots of commissions, by promoting one link. I'm also going to give you my done for you funnels. I've created 5 done for you funnels, so one for each of these offers. You get a lead capture page exactly the same as this. You can clone this. I'm going to show you how to clone it. You don't need to do the videos. I've done all the videos for you. Your prospect will put their email into there. They'll get taken to a welcome page where I do all the proof videos here for you. I update those commission proofs videos as the commission goes up every single month. And then your affiliate links go into here. So when they click to join the Click Engine, you're going to earn the commissions. When they click to join Leads Leap, you're going to earn the commissions. Now, this is another additional income stream, passive income stream, on top of your Warrior Plus income. So Leads Leap, if I show you over here, Leads Leap pay monthly passive income. My total earnings so far for Leads Leap are $1,137. So by using the funnels that I give you the funnels for free. Once you set them up, all you've got to do is promote that lead capture page. Now, to set the funnel up, it's really easy. Leads Leap give you what's called a share code. And all you do is copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap, and then these pages are completely cloned and all you got to do is put your affiliate links in. And what I do is I've done video tutorials here on how to set everything up. So it's really beginner friendly. If you're brand new and you're struggling to make any money online, then I'm going to give you the system, and I'm also going to give you my done for you funnels for 5 of these offers. Now I also give you email follow-up messages. So you'll need an autoresponder. That's built into Leads Leap anyway. And I've given you all the email follow-ups here. So you need to follow up at least a minimum of 7 times. So there's 7 emails here. Your prospects need to see an offer up to 7 times before they take action to buy, and only 1% buy on the first exposure to a product. So it's absolutely key and vital that you have an autoresponder, and Leads Leap has got one built into its system there. And I've shown you the Leads Leap proof there. Now, that was the click engine that I was promoting there. You saw the click engine. And you'll see with the click engine, another additional income stream. The click engine, I've referred 140 members. Jeff Amon will give you $25 for every 10 members that you refer. So again, there's multiple income streams with these products. All you've got to do is just set everything up and then just start promoting. So let's have a look at the system itself, what I'm going to teach you here. It's in this video here. So this video on this page will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. Now I have called it how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It'll show you how to promote your offer to thousands of existing buyers, how to promote your offers to thousands of new buyers that are joining these platforms every single month. And there's a lot more to it than that. So if you watch the video, it will teach you step by step, just 3 or 4 simple steps in this video on the system that I personally use. So I got started with the click engine, so you can get started with any of these. Just click on these tabs here. A new window will open up. You can get more information on the products and decide which one you want to join to get started. So these are the predominantly the 5 that I promote to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. So I'm giving you everything you need. I'm giving you the system to follow. I'm giving you all the done for you funnels. And if you want any more help than that, just send me an email. My email address will be in the description. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos, new uploads every week, and I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, then please put those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you want to contact me direct through email and you'd like mentoring by me, and I do one-to-one mentoring as well for students. But if you've got any questions, that's the email address there to contact me on, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.